how to get a high score in Block Blast on iOS or Android. So if you want to get a high score in Block Blast, then here are the simple steps. To trigger the glitch for a high score, start by tapping the settings icon, which will be in the top right of your screen. Once you tap on the settings, you need to select replay, which will be on the bottom. Keep tapping replay again and again until you get a 3x3 block. After that, wait for 5-row block to appear. When it does, you need to place it carefully in the designated spot that helps align the glitch. If done correctly, the glitch will activate automatically. From that point on, the game will begin giving you 2 3x3 blocks and 1 2x3 block repeatedly. You can then use those blocks to build combos and boost your score rapidly. That's all it takes. Once the setup is right, the glitch handles the rest. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.